Good job. High five. High five. Okay. What letter is this? K. K for koala. Koala. Good job. W for whale. Good job. High five. High five. M for monkey. Monkey. Good job. Lagay mo na. Good job. Wait up. What letter is this? B. Baba. S for snake. Snake. S. Lagay mo na yung S. Good job. High five. High five. E for elephant. E for elephant. Lagay mo na yung E. Good job. Q. Q. Q for quail. Good job. High five. High five. R for rabbit. Lagay mo na yung R. Ayos mo yung R mo.
Mama.
Sige na, lagay mo na. Lagay mo na yung M. Ayaw na. Ayaw na. Alis ko na.